YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are doing an unjarring. We got this from Savers, and it was $9.99, and I think I'm gonna like whatever's in it because I paid for it. So kind of how it goes. I don't need those. Okay, I gotta find my glasses, but I will find them in a minute. Okay, let's go ahead and crack this open. Try not to cut anything up. Looks like we got lots of beads. That's always a good thing. Yay. Pearls. Some glass beads. Some more glass beads on a memory wire. That is pretty. That's a memory wire. So when you pull it on and off, it'll always remember your doohickey, your wrist. Yeah, very pretty. It's a bracelet. Okay, let the filling begin. Okay, that's my cork. Oh, black and white bracelet, very pretty. I like that. These are two wooden bracelets, like a very dark wood. Here we go with bungee bracelet. And these are wooden beads. Oh, it's a fish. Or maybe a shark. Yes, it's a shark. Keychain. That's cute, huh? I mean, it's probably not cute, but it's different. This one is another keychain. Dr. Pepper. You're a pepper, we're a pepper, and when you like to be a pepper too. That's that one.
Pays to advertise.
It pays to advertise. It sure does. Here's another bungee bracelet with some, these feel like plastic beads. Here's another handmade keychain. Very cute. Wonder what made them add the green in. Another keychain that says, Yo Cancun. Yo, love Cancun. Yo. What does yo mean in Spanish? I love Cancun. There you go. This is a very pretty bracelet. These are flat stones. Oh my goodness, this is really detailed. I love that. That's gorgeous. Alright, this is an anklet, I'm going to assume. Just stick your foot on. Little tiny foot. Very cute. And here's that pearl necklace that was on top. And these are champagne pearls, not real ones, because I can see some white here. But they're pretty. Oh, necklaces are going to go right here. I got a new tray, guys, for sorting. This is my new tray. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and it's going to be perfect for sorting as we do our jewelry unjarrings. Alright, here's a bungee necklace with shells and glass beads. Oh, this one is a rosary. Oh, how beautiful is that? It's handmade. Has purple glass beads and black glass beads. All the stations are there. Very pretty. With a little cross. I love it. This is a, what do you call this? Gunmetal bracelet. Gunmetal. It's not actually gunmetal, it's just the color. Pretty gold bangle. Here's a little ducky, and it looks like it takes a battery. Yeah, there's a little where it makes noise. Little button. I'll have to find a battery and put it in there. It's a keychain. Here's another keychain. I don't know what it says. Jamaica. Jamaica sunshine. That's very cute. Different. Make a plan to make it home. Budweiser. Wow. Yeah. If you're drinking Budweiser, just stay home. You don't need to make a plan to go home. Stay home. There is a U.S. flag keychain. I love this. This is so cute. It's a keychain too. Oh my God. It's a little boxing one. It says Montwood Rams. Fight like a girl.
That's cute.
That is so cute. So cute. Oh look, this is a lizard keychain. So now we have a shark and a lizard. Very cute. Oh, here's another one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Very cute. Oh, check out this bracelet. Oh, that's gorgeous. Very, very pretty. I don't see a maker on here, but it is really pretty. Alright. This cute necklace is broken. Let's see. It has a hallmark on there. And something else. Let's check it out. Hallmark and something else. Probably gold over silver. I bet that's what it is. Turn it the right way. Okay. Oh, Paris, Italy? Is that what they're trying to say? Paris, Italy?
Paris is in France.
Oh, Paris is in France, yeah. This is 10 karat gold.
Oh my goodness.
Holy crap. This is 10 karat gold. No wonder it's so lightweight.
Yeah.
Holy shit, I would have got that fixed. Oh, I don't mean to curse y'all. I'm sorry. I just got excited. This says 10 karat gold. Oh my God. I'm going to take a picture if I can and blow it up and then show you guys. It says 10 karat. But we'll just set that to the left. All right, let's move on. Here is another flag keychain and another flag keychain. I wonder why they didn't check that. Isn't that weird? This is a mirror bracelet, and those look like little miniature mirrors. Very cute. We got a pen that says Bernie. Cute. Let's see. Well, these are Chinese beads, and if I'm not mistaken, these are, what do you call it? Counting beads? I think these are counting beads, and they put them on strings like this. Very pretty. I bet this came from some guy who was in the military. We'll put that with the bracelets. Oh, here we go, the jewelry shop, and we have some pen backs. It's always nice. Alright, more buttons and pins. Ooh, y'all. This says Holland, America, Mariner. Nice. That goes with the Bernie pin.
Keep them company.
Yeah, keep them company. This is a very broken necklace here with the beads. Let's take those beads off and restring them. What is this? Looks. Oh, this is a part of a rosary. See if I can. There we go. Oh, I hope the rest of the rosary is in here. It says a Mary and then the cross with Jesus on it. Very pretty. Unless it was a little tiny baby bracelet. Because there is a lobster claw on here. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. We'll set it to the side and find out. All right. This is a skull on a crystal heart. Yeah, that's cute. Here are some more little pins. This one is a girl dancing with a guy. And then this one is a band playing. I wonder what those were from. Like maybe one of those bubblegum machines. Oh, check these out. These look really different. I don't remember them ever putting a baggie in a jar. Ooh. Some of the beads are falling out. Wow. It's a face. Check this out, guys. It's a face, and it has a hanging chain. Isn't that interesting? The little nose. Very cute. There's two of them in here. I'll have to figure out what they are. If you know, please let us know down in the bottom. So I'll know and you know. This is beading cord. So that's what that is. I actually have one of these little flashlights. Oh, it needs a battery. AAA. That's a keychain. Alright, there is an earring. It's okay looking. This is a glass bead belt, I bet, because it's way too long to be a necklace, although you might can, you know, triple wrap it. But this thing is so long. Let's see if I can hold it together for you guys. Okay, there. Now I'm going to double it. There. Now I'm going to triple it. And there. Very pretty though. I love the beads. Oh, this is a very pretty bracelet. I like the little jingle, jingle, jingle. I like people to hear me coming and going.
So we could run and hide.
Here she comes, here she comes. This is really cute. I like it a lot. I might hang on to that one. Oh, wow. These are pretty. What is that? Some sort of nut right there. This one is really pretty too. Okay. Cute little girl. She looks like Precious Moments. Oh, she is Precious Moments. Well, that's why she looks that way. Here is a heart. I bet that was a keychain because there is one here. And this one says Puppy Chow. Someone must have been a collector of keychains and pins. This is a cute pin. Oh. All right. Whoa. Oh, hey. This is so beautiful. This is mother of pearl. And then you have chips on this necklace along with this beautiful dangly. Very gorgeous. I didn't get a lot of necklaces this time around. I did get a lot of beads and keychains. This is a little kitty necklace. Nitty kitty baby necklace. This is pretty. Wouldn't that look gorgeous on a mini album? Yes. Yes, it would. Here is a horseshoe. And I bet that was a keychain. It's got an actual horse on there. And then here's that other earring. So now we have two. And there's the centerpiece for that one. And then these are beads. Very pretty beads. Very, very pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay. So we'll put that in our bead section. And this feels like a bronze star, like the weight of bronze. So I bet that'll clean up really nice. Oh, okay, it goes like that. All right, very cute. I don't know what that is, but it looks childish. And then there's this thing. I don't know what that is. There is this thing that used to be a bracelet, I believe. Okay. Don't know what that is. These are bead caps. There's some more in here. Yeah. This is the jar that everything came in. So that's it. We are empty. The rest are earring backs and seeds, it looks like. This is this necklace. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.